I'm down on Loch Ness and it's about 7 o'clock just now, and I'm here to shoot a little bit of film about a new bit of kit that I've got. So my partner basically made this homemade GoPro mount, I suppose you could call it. So we were trying to find a way of me filming myself in the water, but I'm usually alone, so it's really hard. So he went away and thought about it and then made this, and he's literally machined it and, I don't know, done things with metal in his workshop, which is pretty incredible. But anyway, so we're going to just really testing it out. It's meant to be for the sea, so like when I'm swimming in clear water, I can pop it in the sea and then film myself. But I haven't been able to get to the sea, so and we've got this incredible day on Loch Ness, so I've just brought it down here today to test it out. And I did try it yesterday. Actually, it worked beautifully, absolutely beautifully, but the footage corrupted. It's the first time I've ever had a corrupt SanDisk. It was a brand new card as well, and it corrupted in the GoPro. So this is round 2 of me getting up really early to film this, so we'll see how it goes. So that's me just out of the water, and I think it was quite successful actually. We had an absolutely stunning morning with the light. The light was changing really rapidly, but the wind was staying quite low, and the clouds are staying low as well, which it doesn't normally do. So it was a pretty spectacular morning, and I think the GoPro mount worked. We'll see when we get back home and get the footage in. But even if it didn't, to be honest with you, I've had the most amazing morning out. It's really rare to get conditions like this and to swim in these conditions. One of the things that did happen to me whilst I was swimming, so I was swimming towards something that I thought was a branch, and then I looked a bit closer and there was 2 eyes. There was just 2 eyes watching me from the water, and it was a frog basically. So I've never seen that before, because normally the water isn't that still, so it's really rare, and it was a really beautiful morning. So I've had an amazing swim, an amazing time, and we'll check the footage when we get back.